Are you concerned about your phone contacts being able to find you on Snapchat? This feature can sometimes lead to unwanted connections or privacy issues. Fortunately, you can adjust your settings to prevent your phone contacts. Here's how. Method 1. Change settings in Snapchat. Open Snapchat, tap on the profile on the very top left corner. Go to settings by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to privacy control settings. Tap on Contact Me menu. Switch the preference to Only Friends if the Friends and Contacts was selected before. Again, go to Main Settings. Tap on Mobile Number. Untick Let Others Find Me using my mobile number. Now your contacts will no longer be able to find you on Snapchat. Method 2. Removing Contacts Permission. Go to Settings on your Android device. Open App Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Snapchat. Then tap on Permissions. Select Contacts, and then switch the contact permission to Don't Allow. By doing this, the Android settings will prevent Snapchat from collecting contacts information in the future.